I promise you, there is no other woman in my life. I love you.
I love you. But there is no other woman better than I am.
Here you go.
I hope you don't mind.
And I will let no other woman ruin my marriage.
In here in No Other Woman, I'm Charmaine Escaler. Ako yung housewife ni Ram Escaler. And I'm Angeline Dildomaran, 4th year student. Yung character ni Charmaine dito is just a simple housewife na naghahangad ng faithful and happy marriage.
I'm Ezekiel Angelo Alfonso and I'll be playing Ram Escaler, which was played dun sa original film by Derek Ramsey. He's a guy na nagkaroon siya ng kabit, so nagkaroon siya ng problem sa wife niya, but in the end, nagkaroon naman ng maayos na ending yun.
I'm Nerine Guevara and I'm playing the role of Cara Zodiac. Well, this is in No Other Woman. Cara is known to be a tough girl. I mean, the rich and then hera siya. And then almost everything that she wishes for, nakukuha niya.
Love, pakisuot naman to.
Alam mo naman, hindi ko sinusuot to kapag may kliyente ako, di ba? Kara, I'm married.
No pressure. And kiss me. And don't you dare fall in love with me.
It's about a couple wherein nasira yung or nagkalamat yung marriage nila dahil sa third party, pero eventually maayos din siya. So, yun.
This No Other Woman is just a story about a legal wife na ipaglalaban yung karapatan niya bilang legal nga, na hindi siya susuko kahit na yung character niya dito is mabait.
May iba ba?
Wala. Nobody.
These two couple, Ram and then Charmaine, and then Ram meets Cara, and then there's this something affair that happened between the two of them. And then the story tells how they work it out, Ram and Charmaine, and then how Cara fought for it. And then there, the story goes on.
Kara, this is my wife, Charmaine.
Your wife.
Our play, No Other Woman, napapanahon siya, so yun, madaming makakarinig. Then, very intense yung mga scenes.
Kahit ilang beses ko sabihin sa'yo, wala nga nangyayari sa amin. You still make it seem like I'm cheating on you.
Eh di hindi na kung hindi. Ano problema mo? Ano gagawin ninyo if the only man that you love is unfortunately married? I'm not gonna give up Ram without putting up a goddamn fight!
A love story that knows no time, no rules, no boundaries.
May iba ba?
Wala. Nobody.
We're just two consenting adults having fun. There's no emotional attachment.
Having fun? Ngayon, yes, fun. Pero paano pag iniwan ka na niya? Paano pag pinili na niya asawa niya? At paano pag naskandalo ng pamilya mo? Fun pa rin ba?
Kara, this is my wife, Charmaine.
Your wife.
Love is a battlefield.
Ang mundo ay isang malaking quiapo. Maraming snatcher. Maaagawan ka. Lumabang ka.
Why don't you have dinner with us tonight? Pa-thank you ko na rin dahil kinuha mo asawa ko.
I'm sorry.
Bilang supplier ng furniture para sa resort nyo.
Everyone fights.
Anything I can do to help you?
Naku, wag na. Mamaya makita mo nilalagyan ko yung pagkain mo ng lason.
Hi, babe!
Mababaliw siguro ako pag nalaman kong may babae siya. Baka mapatay ko yung kabit. Silang dalawa, actually.
I Another woman from the College of Hospitality.